But the thing is, at least this is what I heard, is that if you are in a zone that's not busy and you just click on a different zone that is busy, and it will give you orders, like DoorDash will give you orders on the way to that zone, so you don't have to go all the way over to that zone technically, unless, I mean, you get no orders. So we shall see. I've got to get my shoes, my keys, they're in my pocket, and then yeah, we're gonna see if we can get some orders or anything. I don't know if we're gonna get any, but we're gonna try. So yeah, here we go, because I really don't want to drive to this zone. It's like 30 minutes away. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so see, I just barely got my first order that's pretty close for $8.46. To me, that's pretty decent. Where I'm going is apparently 3 minutes away. I've never been here to this food place. So yeah, we're gonna figure it out. We're going to figure it out. Let's put you right there. Ow. Just hit my head on the door. It's kind of like what's it called? Like a half and half deal, I guess. Because I think what happens is you get like half of what it says, like the pay, I guess. I don't really know. I should have brought water. That's okay. So let's see. We just open up my phone, and we are going to the place. It's only like a mile away, so that's okay. That's pretty cool. But so like it's at 8:46, so I'm planning on making what, like $4 or $5 from that, and then after that, there you get a tip, and I'm pretty sure you keep all of your tip. Like I'm pretty sure. I've only done it 3 times so far before, but so I'm hoping, like, I mean, if you can get like $4 plus like a $6 tip, make $10, and it's probably gonna take me 10 minutes. That's $1 a minute. I mean, shoot, bro, $60 an hour. Shoot, that would be okay with me. That would be okay with me. I'm supposed to be there by 11, or not 11, but by 12:19, and it is 12:16 right now. So I should be okay, because it's literally like 0.1 miles away. But just in case, we're gonna drive the speed limit just to get there on time. So yeah, here we go. I will let you guys know on every update as it happens. Okay, so I have my first order. Oh, it's in the little like to-go bag over there. Right there, it's in that little baggie. Oops, just zoomed down on accident. It's in the bag. My car definitely smells like food every single time I do this, or at least the 3 times I've done it so far. So I don't know if I should like roll my windows down or what. Ooh, bad voice crack. It's not like cold or hot or anything, but it's not really like chilly. Like it's kind of hot, like hot enough so you don't want to like have your windows down, but it actually feels kind of nice today. But yeah, I have to be there by, it says drop it off by 12:50, and it is 12:29, I believe, right now. So I should be okay with everything. I did 3 orders so far, as I said, and I have not been rated yet. I haven't been given any ratings or anything, like any statistics, kind of like an Uber driver. I have like a 0 out of 5 right now, I guess. So I don't know. We're gonna see. We're going to see if I get a rating or not. I don't know. I've never really ordered from DoorDash before, so I don't really know if you have to rate everybody or how that whole thing works, but we'll find out. I'll let you guys know when I drop it off, and I'll let you guys know how much I made. Really, like I'll take, gas and everything in, and how much I got tipped as well. So yeah, we'll just do everything. It'll be pretty cool. All right, see you guys. Okay, so I was wrong about earning about half of that $8.46. So homie's not paying attention, bro. So what happened is I think it said $8.46, and I was planning on about half of that, and I did not get half of that. It said base pay was $2.50, and then the tip was however much. I think the tip was $6. So I technically did earn the $8.50, I believe. Yeah, the $8.50. However, I only got paid $2.50 to actually do that thing. So if the if the recipient of the food did not tip me at all, I would have gotten $2.50. Okay, so second order of the day. Hang on. Okay, there we go. Second order of the day. I totally forget that you don't have to accept every order that comes your way. I feel like that's one misconception that a lot of people have. I mean, I have it when I just really started. I was like, oh, this is cool. Just accept every freaking order. You don't have to accept every. Hang on, like the sun's like shining in my face. You don't have to accept every order, which I kind of forgot about. So yes, I just accepted an order to drive about 6 miles for about $6, which, to be honest, I don't know if that's bad or good. It just felt like it was super far for $6, I guess. I mean, that's what it felt like. It could be, the app did say it could be a little bit more than $6, but I mean, come on. Shoot, that's a cop. I think you can film when you're driving. I'm just kidding. But I don't know. It just felt like $6 wasn't a great amount for that much driving, I guess. I really don't know, to be honest. Could be good, could be totally awful. But these guys are going super slow, so let's go past them. But yeah, I will let you guys know how much I actually get paid after driving, and how long it took me as well. It said it would take me about 15 minutes to do the whole thing, pick up and drop off. So we'll see, because that would technically mean I would be earning, that means I could do 4 orders. That's $22 an hour, technically. So we shall see. I'll let you guys know. And yeah, we will see. Adios. I did 3 deliveries in about two hours, I believe. It was 2 hours, and I did about 3 deliveries. Yes, I know, really slow, but they were long deliveries, and maybe it was 4. Let me check the picture up. I don't have a picture. Okay, I think it was 3 deliveries in 2 hours, and I earned about $33, so that's like $16 an hour. So yeah, it's above minimum wage. With my fees, it would probably, we'll just say it'd bring it back down to minimum. So maybe a little bit higher, maybe like $10 an hour. But yeah, that was like the first day of DoorDash. It went pretty good, decently good. I figured out a few things that I'm going to be doing from now on. And yeah, we're going to be continuing this for the rest of the month. And we're going to be seeing how it goes. So yeah, that was pretty good. That was fun. Yeah, hope you guys liked it. And I'll be bringing a ton more videos to you guys. So awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, adios, guys.